In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your interests on Clubhouse. Do you know after the setup done on the Clubhouse app, users can also add or remove interested topics from their preferences setting. Let's see how you can add or remove interests from a wide variety of categories. For that, open the Clubhouse app from the home screen. Next, click on the profile picture to get the account page. Now tap on the gear icon to access the settings page. Hit OK. On this screen you can see the interest tab. Tap on it. On the page, a screen says, "Add your interests so we can begin to personalize the Clubhouse for you." Interests are private to you. It means other users won't be able to see the interests you've selected on your Clubhouse profile. Now list appears on the screen, such as sports, entertainments, faith, tech, hanging out, languages, life, world affairs, arts, places, wellness, knowledge, hustle, and identity. For example, if your interest knowledge related, then scroll the screen. Now tap on the particular interest tab like the future. Now click on the back button to save the changes. On the screen, you can see the number of interests that you have chosen. Tap on the X sign to close the settings page and again click on the back button to access the room feed page. So I hope you like my today's interesting video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Have a great day.